Hey, you're on a Plasticine Magic YouTube channel, and if you're watching this video, it means you finally find something worth your attention. I promise, today you're going to create a piglin that you won't be ashamed to show your friends. They'll make a great decoration for your desk. So grab your clay and let's get started. Appreciate for watching. I'm sure you got it done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to channel for more amazing videos.